Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. Real quick, if you're new, my name is Sarah and I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell so that way you stay notified of when I upload. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and without further ado, let's just get right into it. Ipsy is a subscription service that it's $10 monthly and you get 5 things every month. It varies from deluxe size to full size, so the bag definitely pays for itself. A thing that I've been loving lately is that everything in my bag has been cruelty free, so it's been amazing. I hope they continue to add cruelty free brands, and I'm kind of noticing that more they're pushing. I don't know if just more of those indie brands are starting to be more clean and cruelty free or vegan, which is amazing nonetheless. But I just really love that everything in my bag is just, I can actually use it instead of having to set aside everything and not being able to use it's kind of sad. So that's a reason why I'm probably going to cancel my Sephora Play. But anyways, this month's bag is like this. I remember when I first reached into the mailer, like I kind of like my hand went like this because of the texture of this. It's like really weird. Like I don't know how to explain it. It's this weird like squishy mesh or whatever, but it's super retro looking and I like the bag and the colors. It's really cool. So the inside is like neon green, but the little card says game face and then it says I will conquer blank, which this will be good because I need to put up my vision board sometime soon. I might do a video of just like a time lapse of me putting it together, or maybe just talk about why I clipped certain pieces from like magazines and stuff like that. So yeah, this will be good to add on there. So the first thing in here is this Dermalect Microfacial Exfoliating Mask. Multi-brightening complex instantly restores dull lackluster looking skin to luminous and radiant. So that's what I love. I don't know, I've just been on this exfoliating kick. I know that I'm supposed to exfoliate, but I fell off of exfoliating and now I'm back on, and so I love getting stuff like this. The next one is another skincare product, and it's from Real Chemistry. It's the Fresh Start Foaming Cleanser for a smooth, soft, clean start. With deep cleansing amino acids, is a non-drying foaming cleanser, gently removes impurities, makeup, and excess oil. Hydrating, conditioning amino acids leave the skin smooth, soft, and clean. I already have their 3-minute peel or something like that, which I was saving that because I still haven't got to, like I said, I fell off from exfoliating, so now I'm back on. But when I saw I was getting this, I kind of want to use this and then use the peel exfoliator second and see how that works for, you know, this probably lasts me like 2 weeks, maybe 3. So I'm really excited to use this. I think Real Chemistry is kind of pricey. I think if I'm not mistaken, wow, I can't enunciate, guys. It's late. It's like freaking 11:45 p.m. Alright, so anyways, yeah, as I was saying, I think they might be a little bit expensive. I'm not 100%. If I really do truly enjoy it and I go through it fast enough, then I will definitely invest in buying the full size. Alright, next in here, I was so super duper excited because I was this close, because Shane's always talking about going to Kohl's to buy some stuff for himself. So I'm like, Kohl's, they sell the bomb at Kohl's, and I'm like, maybe I can get a Bahama Mama bronzer, maybe I can get Mary Luminizer, and I'm glad that I didn't because I have a little sample size of Bahama Mama, but it's like a little tiny square. So I don't know, once I get through more bronzers, I think I'll buy the full size because I really do enjoy that one. But I got the Mary Luminizer highlighter and I'm so excited. Look at how big this pan is. That's a pretty generous size. And I know the full size, it's like a giant circle like that. But I'm so glad I got this little mini right here. And I'm already wearing a highlighter right now, or else I would put this on my face. Let's give it a little swatchy. Like, I hear a lot of people adore this highlighter. Oh my gosh, yep. It's right up my alley. It's like this soft champagne-y color. Oh my gosh, yep. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh. I just want to like put it on. So the next thing in here is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it's a gel eyeliner. It's a green one. Yay! And it is called Metallic Green. Ooh. How do I open you? You're sealed. I don't know how to get to you. There's like no perforations on this seal. It's literally sealed from here to here. That's what the liner looks like. It is a gel liner, so that typically means it's gonna last long. Oh my God. Okay. Really? 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 I can't. Oh, there we go. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna swatch this right here. Ooh. You know what's funny? I've been thinking about, guys, look what just happened. The tip of it just broke. WTF. Oh my God. Man, look at it. Oh my goodness. It doesn't want to focus. It wants to focus on my face. Look at that. It fell off. I was swatching it and it just went bloop. Wah. Okay, so that just happened. No more point on that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I gotta sharpen it. Okay, this, okay. I shouldn't have to be doing this. Ipsy, don't make me not like you. Well, not really Ipsy's fault. Bella Pierre. Metallic green, but there's nothing metallic about it. That's kind of strange. That's misleading to be called metallic green, but the swatch isn't even metallic, and or like the swatch on this end's not metallic, and it's not even metallic on the back of my hand. So you can see the swatch there. It is a beautiful green color, which I like it nonetheless. It goes on pretty smooth, and like I was saying, I was planning on buying more colorful eyeliners just because I feel like that's more appropriate during the spring and summer. It's just throwing something nice and bright on the waterline. And so I'm really glad that I got this one because it's not a really dark green, and so it's definitely something that I can work with. The last product I got in here is a nail polish, and it is, where did I say? I think it's a 7 free. Yeah, 7 free. Fast dry formula, lasts up to 1 week. It is from the brand Emma, and it's called VSNP, which I don't know what that stands for, but it says Mia is my BFF. Don't know what all that means, but look at the packaging. It has a cute little like girl right there. That's so cute. But I don't know. That might be Mia. Who knows? But there's the outer packaging that says Mia is my BFF. I feel like a lot of brands are going to come out with the Pantone color of the year, which is like this weird, it's like this muted purple or something. It's not like an actual purple, but Pantone color of the year, it's going to be multiple different shades of purples. So with that being said, I got a lavender shade nail polish from that brand. Can't really swatch it because I have my nails done. I put some little press-on kiss nails, and so that's the color of it. It's really pretty, and it's going to be super appropriate. Like I said, Pantone color of the year for 2018, and also with spring and summer coming up, this is definitely a nice color for that. I believe it's US only. I'll leave the link down below if you're interested on signing up for Ipsy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.